How would you like a proven meditation for upping your manifestation? That's today on Guide Day Friday. I'm Trista Polo. I woke up this way and it's awesome. To be who you want to be, you must first accept who you are. Welcome to the very first episode in a series on the law of attraction, lessons from Abraham Hicks. Today we're talking about a simple meditation process that will get you lots more results in your everyday law of attractioning. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, I do videos every Friday on exploring life with guidance from universal wisdom. Inside of that exploration, we'll cover all sorts of topics. So I've decided to do a mini-series on law of attraction from the Abraham Hicks teachings. I had an opportunity to attend a workshop recently, and this series will focus on the things that I learned at that workshop. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the comments below. If law of attraction, manifestation, and a spiritual exploration of your life are interesting to you, make sure to subscribe so you'll get all my videos on the subject. Okay, let's dive in. I guess I should be more zen and calm since we're talking about meditation today. Whatever. This is not a meditation. It's just a meditation how-to. This is a very cool meditation. It's only 20 minutes. It's a daily practice, and it will up your results measurably. And it's from Abraham, so it's got to be good. There are a lot of ways to meditate, and all of those are great. But if you're meditating specifically for manifesting through the law of attraction, this is one I highly recommend. And because it's only 15 or 20 minutes, you can easily fit it into even the busiest of schedules. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed. A nice, calm, even breath. They recommend having a small sound to focus on. In the room that day was a heater, and you could sort of hear the hum of the heating system. It should be a sound that you have no particular feelings or opinions about, so it doesn't distract you emotionally. Something like an air conditioner, a heater, a dishwasher. The idea is to focus your mind in on that sound, to distract yourself from all of the many thoughts that will be coming in. This is a practice on learning how to quiet your mind. And it's a great tool for the third step of the 5-step manifestation process that I'll be sharing in one of my next videos in this series. Now, I can't always count on a sound in my house, so I use the Insight timer with the moonlight music, and I use that as my neutral sound. And now you just allow. This is a practice in putting yourself in receiving mode. So when thoughts come in that distract you, things you have to do later, stuff that's stressing you out, just release it and let it go. This is a practice in allowing and receiving. If you do get thoughts that are satisfying thoughts, things that warm your heart, that put a smile on your face, those are the ones to focus on. But don't hold on to them. Just acknowledge them, have gratitude for them, and allow them to move on. As you practice this receiving mode, you'll find that more and more satisfying thoughts will start to come in. This shows you that you're clearing the path for the things you ask for actually showing up. Okay, well that's it. Pretty simple, right? If you're going to try this manifestation meditation, please put "it's awesome" in the comments and come back and let me know about your results. I found this to be an effective way to not only increase what I'm receiving, but also decrease my stress and anxiety. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Here's another video that I think you'll enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get every video in this series and all of my new videos on Fridays. I'm Trista Polo. I woke up this way and it's awesome. Have a great day, everybody.